Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The Goa Power Minister a few days ago said that the Goa electricity model that is being practiced in Goa is much better than the Kejriwal electricity model that is being practiced in Delhi. He even went to the extent of saying that he is wanting to have a public debate on this issue, and he said that he is willing to sponsor the travel as well as boarding of lodging of anybody who wishes to come from Delhi to Goa. We readily accepted the challenge, and I informed Mr. Cabral that I will be coming for this debate. I told him that I will reach Goa on the 17th of November 2020, and I asked him that please let me know the venue as well as the time for this public debate. One is given to understand that the party high command of the Bharatiya Janata Party is not giving permission to Mr. Cabral, and Mr. Cabral seems to be running away.
वीज मंत्री निलेश काब्राल म्हणटा गोंयांत पॉवर मॅनेजमेंटाचो अभ्यास करपाक आपयला, डिबेटीक न्ही.
He is coming tomorrow. He is welcome to my office to discuss anytime. I will be available till 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock in the evening in the office. He can walk in my office at the secretariat and ask me his whatever advice he wants, which I can give him on behalf of the government of Goa. आपाचे मनशांनी केल्ले की दिल्लीच्या सरकाराकडे गोयच्या सरकारान शिकपाक जाय आनी तांकां जाय जाल्यार आमी तिकेट दिता. सो आमचे गोयच्या सरकारा कडेन पयशे आसा तिकेट वचपाक म्हण हांवें सांगलेलें, आनी तांकां जाय गोयचे आमी कशें पावर करता तर तुमी येवन गोयचे शिकचें म्हण सांगलेलें. हांवें डिबेट म्हण केन्ना म्हणूं ना, पूण आतां जर ते म्हणटा डिबेट जाल्यार पावर मिनिस्टर कोण तरी MLA आनी जल वायस चॅरमॅन उलोवपाक म्हणजे ते प्रोटोकॉल आमी सांबाळपाक जाय. So he has asked for government to government level. So I am here to debate with the power minister of Delhi. He can come anytime, and he is appointed time. Or if he wants me to come to Delhi also, I am ready to come.